southern Black Forest. Absolutely amazing what a start to the Black Forest in the south. There's so many easy hikes to do as well. Hopefully this list you'll get some inspiration for yourself. All 5 stars.
And pretty much everything is free. You don't need to spend any money to see some absolutely amazing sights.
We are going to the waterfall, which is named below, about 29 minutes from where we're staying in Grafenhausen. Lots to do in the area. Seems quite a good spot. When we get there, there should be a parking lot right next to the start of the trail with loads of falls. If you like the Black Forest, hiking and waterfalls, check out our last video. But our first waterfall of the southern Black Forest will begin now. Roads are good. Wasserfall down here. That's a nice view, isn't it?
Oh, this is really pretty down here, isn't it?
It's really opened out. You had parking lot next to the Albwasserfall. On the Google.
Here we are.
120 an hour.
And then a day ticket is €6. There we go, 11:07.
So we've walked across the road for about a minute. We've found our first waterfall of the southern Black Forest.
And it's literally opposite the hotel.
It's up here.
What, they did
Looks like it's meters away. That's really going for it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Wow.
That looks amazing.
That's so cool. Every waterfall we see is a totally new experience. That's why we love looking for waterfalls.
Look at that. Got a bridge to walk over. Incredible, there's multiple waterfalls just going for it. 218, absolutely amazing what a start to the Black Forest in the north.
The south.
In the south. I'm not awake. Know exactly where we're going, don't they? They know what's about to come. So I think we should take the advice from the alpine goats and get to safety.
There's lots to come. We've decided to call this one 2 waterfalls because there's one coming off the rock behind us into the stream and there's another, at least 2 on the actual stream itself.
Definitely, so waterfall number 218219, our first couple of the southern Black Forest. Absolutely stunning. 100% recommend. It's definitely worth €1.20 for an hour just to wander around here. And Yeah.
Yeah, you wouldn't need more than an hour to see the waterfalls and even to spend some time taking pictures. We're not sure where to go on the rest of the trail and it is starting to rain, so we're going to call it a day, but what a way to start!
Incredible. So after a 30-minute drive we have reached the trail for the Fahler Wasserfall. Free parking lot, not a great amount of cars can fit in, but a few. So you just see the sign for Wasserfall and you literally go left and start on this lovely forest waterfall trail.
I think we're going to find a few along this trail because it looks like it's going to follow the river.
Oh wow! Look at that!
Wasn't really sure what to expect from this walk. It didn't look amazing when we parked, but pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah, it's walked about a couple of minutes. You're in the forest. Your trail is just full of waterfalls. Either side of you, it's pretty cool.
And lovely little bridges that cross it, and path looks like it carries on. I was just thinking how English we are. We've got an umbrella and tea. Cheers. So always carrying tea.
Cheers. Good cup of tea. Amazing waterfall. 5 stars yet again for the Black Forest.
Definitely. Wow.
Right next to it.
Yeah. That's amazing. We weren't sure how far to walk on this trail. Just went round the corner. Another massive waterfall.
It's just as good round the corner. Wow. Beautiful waterfall.
Amazing.
Did you get that? Huge.
Oh my goodness.
This might be more it. Oh, I know.
Oh wow. That looks amazing.
I think this beats the other bit. Incredible.
Well, it just shows you. Always keep walking a bit further on a Black Forest route.
5 minutes from where we just were. Beautiful, beautiful waterfall.
So cool. The Fahler Waterfall, 100% worth a stop. And it's free.
The noise as well, it's really thundering down. There's so much power into this waterfall.
Yeah.
There's so much rain recently.
It's amazing.
It makes the waterfall even more epic.
Yeah, it really does.
Yeah. There's a rainbow on the waterfall.
Oh, I've got it on the camera.
Can you zoom?
Can you see it?
Zoom. It's very faint. Go on.
Oh, there it is. I can see it.
Look at that.
Yeah.
So we've parked the car, walk straight up to the sign. I'm going to continue to walk up this path. Amazing views already.
That's a long way, haven't we?
Yeah. There's a waterfall shop there. Very touristy place. Very popular. So it's €250 a ticket to see the waterfall. If you want to do the bridge and the waterfall, it's €12. Nice path. You can see this getting really busy by lunchtime.
Yeah.
Walking about 5 minutes, you can hear it already. So we must be pretty close.
Yeah. I feel like it's around this corner.
Multiple ways you can walk, probably multiple viewpoints.
Okay, let's go down there.
Our 221st waterfall.
Oh yeah.
Our 3rd of the southern Black Forest. Our 10th of the whole Black Forest.
Oh my goodness. This is absolutely ginormous. It's like nothing else we've seen so far. In the Black Forest so far. I can totally see why it's ticketed, but honestly some of the others we've seen have been just as good, would you say?
Yeah, definitely. Everywhere we've been has been amazing.
There is a suspension bridge thing up here somewhere. There it is. Which you can pay €12 for, which seems quite steep, and it's not that sort of thing, so we're not going to do that. But it's a very lovely waterfall.
So many good options in the area for free.
Yeah.
You might want to do something else.
You might. Walked a bit further, it looks like the path just carries on really, following the river, which there's several little falls as you go down, and other little bridges and viewpoints and stuff, and it's pretty nice.
It's a really nice area to walk, as everywhere has been in the Black Forest.
Yeah. We've followed the signs for the shorter round walk, which takes us through the forest. It's quite nice, we've got a tea on the go. Lovely
trail. Very peaceful. These trees are nice.
They are, aren't they? They make like a little canopy over the path. They know how to do a waterfall walk, that's for sure. We've never been disappointed by anything in Germany, have we? This is no exception. Look at this view.
Our 5th waterfall of this southern Black Forest travel guide. 35 minutes from Grassenhauser, where we're staying at. Parking is right next door. It's free.
You could fit, well, like 30 cars probably. It's huge, like a massive pull-in. There's a little, oh, it's got the actual name of the waterfall on this sign. That is where we're going.
There you go.
So I think we are at the right car parking. Look at that. Wow.
So it's just slightly wrong on the map, Google Maps.
Yes, it was
just further down the road than it
just
says.
a little bit further than it was actually marked, but this must be the right parking for this.
That's how well the Germans do it.
I mean,
A waterfall sign in a car park.
we're literally in a big pull-in, really. It's not anything more than that, is it? But they've got a sign for the
Off
waterfall.
the beaten track.
They've got a rubbish bin, and it's perfect. There's nothing much better than starting your day with a little hike through the forest, is there? Oh, it looks quite pretty, doesn't it? Oh, look at this. Oh.
Krai-Woog-Grumpen
This is so pretty. Feels like we're right in the middle of the forest, even though we're really quite next to the road. And the little path from the car park, so easy, takes you right to it. It's brilliant.
Really cool stop off. If you're on a Black Forest road trip, looking for stuff to do during the day, really cool stop off. Definitely worth doing.
It's lovely down here, very tranquil.
Let's go to R223 waterfall. Well, we've driven 15 minutes from that last waterfall to this free car park, and we are searching for the Tusculum Wasserfall. And at the moment, we are looking for a sign.
It's loads of space in this car park. It's quite big.
You can hear water.
Well, that's a good sign. Oh. Oh,
and there's a lot of
yeah.
gushing water.
Oh, hello.
I mean, I can only assume it's down there.
Is this it? I think we're right on it.
Are we on it?
Well, it looks like it. This lovely bridge. And look at that. If I'm not mistaken, that's a waterfall.
Number 223.
Oh, it's pretty big, isn't it?
Yeah.
Kind of looks like we're behind some sort of factories or something like that. But there's a lovely bridge here and perfect view of the falls from the bridge. Can't get it all in on the camera, but it's really good. We're going to try and find this other waterfall now. It should only be a few minutes walk. It's a bit of a weird route. We're not really in the forest anymore, are we? But we'll see. See how good Google Maps is at directing us from here. Just come out onto the road, really, of the little village. Do you know what the village is called?
St. Placian.
Okay.
I don't know how you say that.
So it seems like quite a small place, and we've basically got to get up there somewhere. Okay. Oh, it's a little path. Wow. Is that a voyage of discovery?
That parking then is, it looks like 10 minutes from the waterfall, but it's well steep.
Yeah.
But you go through a nice little village.
Yeah.
Nice scenery. Houses are always immaculate, aren't they?
They are, aren't they? Absolutely pristine. Yeah. Everything is so well kept.
That gorge rocks something.
Yeah. Isn't it weird how we've just like walked through that little town and now it looks like this within 5 minutes?
We've gone from an Esso garage to a gorge walk. I mean, crazy.
Only in the Black Forest, right?
Look at that.
How nice is this walk? I mean, even if we don't find anything, I like the walk. The sound of the water's definitely got louder as we've gone up this little track, and it's absolutely beautiful up here because you're right in the trees, and got like rocks, sort of canyon style rocks next to you. Oh, is there a little path? Oh, here you go. There's that little green board you saw on.
So we've walked 10 minutes, followed the trail to this signboard, and it's
Look at this.
got an actual
Oh, how cool is that?
actual sign with information about waterfall,
wow.
and it's in English.
Oh yeah, I didn't even realise.
30 walking minutes of St Blasian, which is basically near to where we came from.
It points us in the direction of this very nice looking little forest path, so we'll go along here. Oh, I think I can see it.
I said it can't be far.
I think I can see it through the trees already. What a cool little trail that was, from the car park through the town and up here. Felt like a little wonderland. And now we're at our 224?
Third. Fourth. No, we saw one 10 minutes ago.
We're seeing so many waterfalls we can't even keep track of the numbers,
The
people.
third of the day, our 7th of the Southern Black Forest Ultimate Travel Guide, Pat Luncheon Travel Style.
Oh, just see it coming through the trees.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
There's a little bit of sun on it. Looks like you can get a bit down towards it as well.
Definitely 5 stars.
Definitely.
Definitely recommended.
And this feels like a bit of a hidden one. There's no one about here, and we read similar sort of reviews about it on Google. Very untouristy, very off the beaten track, and totally worth it.
We're going to follow the stream back, hopefully round in a circle back to the car.
We're not absolutely sure that that is what it does, but it kind of looks like we're heading the right way, and it was only a short walk up here, so even if we have to come all the way back again, it wouldn't be too bad. And it's so pretty down here. You're just following the stream, aren't you, from the waterfall. We've come out a bit more from the rocky path. There's a bridge and a sign. What does that tell you?
Not a lot. We're going to cross this bridge. It should join up with the main road to get back to the car.
I like it.
Perfect hiking route.
I know, and I really love the way round it happened as well, going up through the rocky canyony bit, seeing the waterfall and then heading back down past the stream. Brilliant.
There's 2 more Black Forest waterfalls coming your way. Todmooser, Ruttebach, right next to each other on the road. Definitely worth a stop if you're driving through the area. Our 8th and 9th of the Southern Black Forest. 600 metres from our 225th, 24th, 23rd waterfall. I've lost count. 26th.
Wasserfall.
So there's a
little route down to it.
Wasserfall sign. Some free parking. Right there. I think we're about 100 to 200 metres away.
Brilliant, I love it. Off-road parking, huge sign for waterfall.
Follow the little miniature hike.
It's so cute, look.
Ruttebach 325.
We've only walked a minute the other way and we think we found the other one, the Todmooser. Looks like it could be pretty epic.
Let's go.
Well, should we get down there?
Specifics, alright.
It's rocky and damp, but there's some good wires to hold on to when it gets a bit slippery.
Oh my goodness, it gets even better. That's amazing. You've got to keep walking down the trail. Don't just get off and get back in your car.
Like we nearly did.
It's absolutely amazing.
We just walked down a few little stone steps here.
Wow. I didn't actually expect that, even from being up there.
No!
At the top.
This looks absolutely amazing.
Did not expect it.
Oh wow. Just down a little way further and look at that. Oh my goodness. That's pretty epic.
Yeah. Definitely worth a pit stop on your Black Forest road trip.
Easy to get to and yeah, totally worth it. There's even a little bench here. You could sit and have your picnic. Perfect. It does look like this trail continues off into the forest and who knows what else you might find. But we are going to find our last waterfall in the Black Forest right now. We haven't even had a tea yet.
Made it 18 minutes down the road.
What a road it was. Scenery, amazing.
Meters from the road, the Prag Wasserfall. Looks like you just follow this little path, literally, from the car park. There's signs saying Prague. Oh, the track gushing down there. bit of paradise just off the road. 227 waterfall.
We've absolutely loved the Black Forest. It's been everything we expected really, isn't it? And more. We kind of thought it would be good. It's better than good. It's amazing.
There's so many easy hikes to do as well. Hopefully this list, you'll get some inspiration for yourself when you come to the Black Forest. So many things to see and do. All 5 stars.
Yeah.
I can't fault anything we've seen here.
No, everything's been utterly amazing. It's always signposted, guided, with really nice trails, parking, and pretty much everything is free. You don't need to spend any money to see some absolutely amazing sights.
Completely missed Krai-Woog, do not bother with it. If you want to see something big like that, and you want to pay a small fee, go to Todtnau Wasserfall, that's where I've seen it. But miss Krai-Woog and do all these others on this list. You will not regret it. We will be going to a new area of Germany coming very soon.
Yes, and then onwards to more travels across Europe. After years of trying, we finally sold our flat in Cambridge and we are on the road full time. So we'll be travelling throughout Europe. If you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. It's going to get blooming exciting.
Hit the thumbs up if we've given you any good travel ideas, and subscribe because there's tons more hiking videos and all sorts coming your way. We'll see you in the next one.